New visualization and image analysis tools are providing insight in the areas of bioinformatics, neurogenetics, biology, physiology, psychology, and neurology. USTAR is advancing research on growth trajectories and investigating normative and atypical brain development. Patient-specific models of brain structure and the cognitive changes associated with them provide improved understanding of the time course of underlying changes during the early stages of growth, which is essential for developing new therapies validated by longitudinal neuroimaging studies. USTAR research provides important new information about the trajectory of early postnatal brain maturation as measured in magnetic resonance imaging and diffusion tensor imaging, and its potential relationship to clinical features. This research is providing insight into developmental brain and behavioral phenotypes as well as neurobiological mechanisms that inform other levels of analysis for what appears to be a critical period of brain development for at-risk individuals. By developing new imaging strategies targeting developmental trajectories, USTAR continues to provide improved tools that enable the clinical and research communities to better understand the origins of mental illness. Our hope is that these patient-specific models will lead to new biomarkers that are crucial to develop new therapies that may prevent the onset or slow the progression of symptoms of mental illness, such as autism, bipolar illness, depression, and schizophrenia.